7 Oatmeal mistakes that are secretly making you gain weight. Oatmeal, warm, comforting, and praised as the perfect healthy breakfast. But what if your daily bowl is actually stopping you from losing weight? Or even causing silent weight gain? Imagine stepping on the scale every week, eating healthy, and still feeling frustrated. The truth? It's not oatmeal's fault, it's how you're making it. Let's uncover 7 common mistakes that sabotage your results, and how a few tiny changes can turn your bowl into a weight loss ally. White check mark emoji. Mistake 1, adding too much sugar. It starts innocently, a little honey, a spoonful of brown sugar, maybe some maple syrup. Before you know it, your healthy breakfast has more sugar than a dessert. That sugar spikes your blood glucose, triggers insulin, and tells your body to store fat. Then comes the crash, tiredness, cravings, and a snack attack before 11 a.m. Here's the fix: swap sugar for natural sweetness. Mash in half a banana. Add some cinnamon. Sprinkle berries. You still get flavor, fiber, and satisfaction, minus the crash. White check mark emoji. Mistake 2, using flavored instant oatmeal. Those pre-flavored packets are fast, but they're also packed with added sugar, sodium, and artificial junk. They give you a quick spike of energy, but it fades fast. You'll feel hungry again in no time, and more likely to snack. Upgrade your oats. Use plain rolled oats or steel cut oats. They take minutes, and give you steady energy. Add your own toppings, clean, simple, and controlled. White check mark emoji. Mistake 3, skipping protein. Here's the deal: oats are carbs. Good carbs, yes. But on their own, they won't keep you full for long. Protein is the magic ingredient that balances blood sugar, boosts metabolism, and helps you feel full for hours. Try adding a scoop of protein powder, a spoonful of natural peanut butter, some Greek yogurt, or a handful of chia seeds. Your oatmeal goes from a sugar bomb to a muscle-fueling, fat-burning meal. White check mark emoji. Mistake 4, overloading healthy toppings. Yes, nuts and dried fruits are healthy, but too much of them can pack hundreds of extra calories into your bowl. A tablespoon of peanut butter. A small handful of almonds. Just a few raisins. Portion control is key. Too many healthy extras can quietly slow your progress. Create balance: 1 protein, 1 fruit, 1 healthy fat. Your bowl stays delicious, and waistline friendly. White check mark emoji. Mistake 5, forgetting fiber boosters. Oats have fiber, but not enough. And fiber is key. It slows digestion, prevents blood sugar spikes, and helps control hunger. The fix? Add more. Chia seeds, flax seeds, or apple slices with skin, all at bulk, promote fullness, and support your gut. These tiny changes lead to major long-term benefits. Less bloat. Better digestion. More energy. Stable weight. White check mark emoji. The right way to build your bowl. Let's recap what your oatmeal should include. Black check mark emoji. Plain rolled or steel cut oats. Black check mark emoji. 1 protein source like peanut butter, yogurt, or seeds. Black check mark emoji. 1 fiber booster, think chia, flax, or fruit. Black check mark emoji. Natural sweetness only, no added sugar. Now you've got a breakfast that fuels your body, burns fat, and keeps you satisfied. White check mark emoji. Closing. Most people think oatmeal is healthy, and it can be. But only if you avoid these 7 silent mistakes. Fix your bowl, and you might just fix your weight. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who loves oatmeal, and subscribe for more smart, science-backed health tips.